So in this repository, we will be having the the folder, which is TOGAF Foundation and Practitioner FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions, practice test, assignment, some MCQs, and a README file. Okay, so let us first see this folder, which is TOGAF Foundation and Practitioner material. So let me just go into this. So here you can see that there are many folders under this, like basic information, introduction to TOGAF, architecture development method, preliminary stage, and so on, all the phases of ADM cycle. Then we are having that how we can apply the ADM. And there are some commonly asked questions and so on. So ultimately, if you are preparing for foundation or practitioner exam, this is the reference material for you. And here you will find lot of detailed step-by-step notes. For example, if I go to any of this information folder like architecture vision, so you can see there are so many MD files are there, and these are well explained, and I will explain each and every concept in very deep and practical level. So as I mentioned, you can just fork this particular repository. And if there is an update comes in future, then what you can do, you can just sync that folder and your, your repository will be up to date. So that's it for this lecture and see you in the next lecture.